Hi friends. Well, it's a nice day here today, so I thought I'll show you around my vegetable patch. So you know what I've been doing some gardening, keeping myself busy, enjoying the weather. I enjoy looking at Maahi, come and pick all the vegetables or whatever there is, looking at them. So he too learning about gardening.
Gentle with that flower, okay? Gentle. What's in your hand?
Oh, tomato. I just picked this one tomato for him because he likes these baby tomatoes. And of course, it's my neighbor's land, not mine. But he's so kind. He allows me to do whatever I want, and he comes and helps me with the weeds. He'll plow it and pull out the weeds and so on. Very nice old man. Just turned 90. He's 90 years young. Very strong. Good neighbor. Now we could take a look at the vegetable patch.
You found a karela?
It's changing from a flower to a baby karela.
That's so exciting.
Maahi, come and see. Put your hand and pick it and show Mama what you pick.
Ah! Is it?
It's juicy.
Acha hai, bahut acha hai. Oh, beautiful.
Tied them up as best as I could. They're not doing badly with these sticks. He'll be able to pick a lot of tomatoes that he likes.
What's this?
That's a bean. One
bean.
bean plant that he pulled out all the others while he was pulling out the beans.
Oh, Mike?
Mike is my neighbor who owns this property and the land, and I'm planting on his.
You're doing communal gardening with Mike. Show me what you got there. Yes! Beautiful. Acha hai. Bahut acha hai.
We have eggplants or bacon. Ooh! Big one. A big one. And there's another big one here. Cucumbers. Look. Here are the cucumbers. Cucumbers. It has quite a few in this one.
What is that?
The jalapeno pepper.
Oh, yes, yes.
3. Okay, we have some green onions coming up here. And some cilantro and dhania. Look at it.
Oh, it's minuscule.
The minuscule is just open. I don't know how long these will be, but
Okay, and this is the mint.
the mint, lots of mint. You show Papa the other eggplant on the other side?
There's a big one. Annie, come. There's a big one, Annie.
Yes, it is, because you're taking good care of it. Naga chili hot peppers. So it's like a chili. It wouldn't be too fat like a Congo pepper, but it'll cut it along, but hot. Hot, hot. And it's laden right now. Lots of chocolate scorpion hot.
Oh, my Lord.
See, and
Who's
it has-
going to
it has
eat
a few-
these? How are we going to consume
As
this?
if you make pepper sauce or give away to others,
That eggplant is so beautiful. And look how many flowers are on that plant. Like, we should get a lot of bangan. This is a different variety?
This is a regular sweet pepper. So I don't know how well it will do here because
Is it a red one, like on the picture?
yeah, it's supposed
Nice.
to be.
Yeah.
Because sometimes people change the tags.
I know. I'm curious about the pumpkin patch though. Can we go back in there?
It has at least 5.
Mama squash?
The tag said mama squash.
Okay, careful how you're stepping there. Oh my goodness. Please be careful, Mom.
Look right here.
Oh, wow.
You see we have one here. We have one here. Look,
I mean-
another one here. Look.
Oh, wow, that's so exciting.
I think this is the largest, so
Oh, wow.
this one here. Somewhere here. But it has,
Oh, there's another little one here.
oh yeah, that's the one he probably saw.
Oh my gosh, I just want Mike to live forever so that we can just keep going. Well, for every flower, that should be a squash, right?
Well, yes, if it's good and, you know.
In theory, at least. We're going to do so well with the tomatoes. I mean, they look kind of wild, but you know, they're going to be great.
I have a little one here for him. It's some nice one. Hundreds we should get.
We should, right?
But look at this. We don't use it, but I put it a little piece.
Oh, the Thai basil?
So if you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I look forward to that. It's nice. And if you have any comments, please do post them. I like to read them. And if you come across carapuli, please send me some seeds or plant with somebody coming up from Trinidad. I need curry leaves.